was chaos. The city fell. Ships scattered. There's no way of telling how many escaped. The game's over.
I believe in us. And I believe in you. I need Master Chief. We all do.